Do you know what the most powerful skill in English is? It's not grammar, it's not vocabulary. It is the ability to start conversation with confidence. Because one simple hello can open many doors to new friendships, career opportunities, and life changing connections. So, in this video, I will show you exactly how to start conversation with anyone anywhere using simple phrases and smart techniques. Hello friends, my name is Venkatesh and on this channel I share practical tips to help you improve your English. I am also learning and practicing English every day just like you. If you want to speak English confidently, stay with me till the end of this video. You will get a lot of things from this video and without wasting of any time, let's get into the video. The power of first step. Conversations are like doors. Someone has to knock first. If you take the first step, people see you as confident, even if your English is simple. You don't need to be perfect English, but you just need courage to begin. Quick example, when I first said hello to a stranger, my English was broken, but they smiled and responded. That gave me confidence. Three things to remember before starting conversation. First one is smile naturally. It makes you look friendly. And second one is use a polite tone. Even simple words sound better politely. Third one is don't overthink grammar. Focus on connection, not perfection. Practical conversation starters. First one with strangers. Hi, I am Venkatesh. Nice to meet you. Hello, where are you from? Second one in a class or learning group. What made you join this class? How do you practice English daily? And third one is at work or professional space. Good morning. How is your day going? I like the way you explained that point. Could you share more? And fourth one is social places. This place is really pleasant, isn't it? I like your bag. Where did you buy it? Which one of these are you going to try first? Type it in the comments. Keep the conversation going. Ask open ended questions. What do you like about? Show interest by nodding and smiling. Share your own experience after asking. Mini role play. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. That's great. I also enjoy traveling. My favorite place is Munnar. What about you? Remember, the secret is not in speaking perfect English, but in being brave enough to speak. Every conversation you start makes you stronger. So don't wait for others. Be the one who takes the first step. If you helped this video, try one of these conversation starters today and tell me in the comments how it went. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my new lessons. Let's continue our journey of learning English together. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.